Check out that 4x4. That is hot.
Okay, back her up.
Someday, Jennifer. Someday.
It's a trail tackling, snow slicing, rock climbing beast. The Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 is one of the most capable off-road vehicles around, and one mean-looking machine. The ZR2 is essentially a Colorado on steroids. It has a sculpted, muscular appearance, and almost every aspect of this truck has been infused with off-road ability. For starters, its wheel track is 3.5 inches wider than a standard Colorado. This gives it a much more aggressive stance, and also improves the handling and performance. It's been lifted by 2 inches for a total ground clearance of about 9 inches, and the 17-inch wheels have been upgraded with Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack off-road tires that provide excellent grip in all situations. One of the best parts of the ZR2 is the off-road suspension, which features Multimatic DSSV damper technology. The system works great, whether you're slow crawling over rocks, ripping down a trail, or just driving city streets. The front bumper has been shaved down, creating a better approach angle for off-roading, and it lets you see those sweet tires. It adds to the overall look, and means less potential for front-end damage when you get into the really deep bush. It has a front skid plate for added protection, a large hood scoop for extra cool points, and like any good off-road machine, a few recovery hooks. The back end has also been modified for more off-road clearance, so you'll notice there are no corner step bumpers on the ZR2 as a result. The sides have been beefed up with rock sliders for extra durability and to help prevent body damage. The truck we're using is equipped with the Midnight Special Edition package, so everything is blacked out, and it has a sports bar with off-road lights. The ZR2 has segment-exclusive, driver-selectable front and rear full locking differentials, another sign that this is a legitimate off-road champ. Plus, the traction control can be turned off with the simple touch of a button. The four-wheel drive system is electronically controlled and features 2 high, automatic, 4 high, and 4 low options. You're also able to put the ZR2 in an off-road mode that's calibrated to adapt to extreme conditions. Roads?
Where we're going, we don't need roads.
The ZR2 comes standard with a 3.6-liter V6 engine that produces a segment-leading 308 horsepower, along with 275 pound-feet of torque, and is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. And just like its cousin, the GMC Canyon, there is a diesel option, a 2.8-liter Duramax turbo diesel that creates an adequate 181 horsepower and a hefty 369 pound-feet of torque with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The low-end torque created by that diesel is great for off-roading. The Colorado and Canyon are the only mid-size trucks that offer a diesel powertrain. That Duramax provides best-in-class max towing capacity and best-in-class fuel economy. The ZR2 is actually a pretty well-rounded truck. Not only does it have the chops to get the job done off-road, but it still has all the comforts needed to be a great daily driver. Space inside is typical for the segment. There's not a ton of room in the back, but I can still sit back here pretty comfortably. You get a leather interior with heated front seats, and not just basic heated seats, but 3-stage heating that also lets you pick if you want your back and bottom heated or just back. It has a heated steering wheel, which is essential on any Canadian vehicle if you ask me. Same goes for the factory installed remote starter. The power side mirrors are also heated, another helpful feature. I mean, who wants to get out and scrape off the mirrors in the winter? Nobody, that's who. Most Chevys come pretty well equipped in the tech department, and the Colorado is no different. You get the Chevrolet Miling system with an 8-inch touchscreen, a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging, navigation, OnStar, a Bose premium audio system, and an HD rear-view camera. It doesn't come with any advanced safety features like forward collision warning or lane departure warning, but that makes sense because all the obstacles you go over while off-roading would set those systems off all the time, which would become pretty annoying. The ZR2 does, however, come standard with a tow haul mode and the trailering package. You also get an easy lift and lower tailgate, as well as a spray-in bed liner. The 2019 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 is a versatile truck. You'll have fun getting it dirty, but also enjoy your morning commute in it. It's perfect for drivers that work hard Monday to Friday and get wild on the weekends. If you have any questions about the Colorado ZR2, please feel free to contact me.